how to create an essential oil room spray. You can spray this for any room in the house. Of course, you can travel with it as well with your essential oil travel kit. I love this one because it has clove, tea tree, bergamot, and frankincense in it as well that energizes and clears and cleanses. I love Florida water because it is a great energy clearing water. Got a really beautiful soft scent associated with it as well, but it just kind of clears the space, clears the energy, and you can use it to clean too. I love any sort of water that you use. I love Proud Source water because A, I drink it, but also B, it's clean, alkaline, and you want to make sure that if you're using any sort of water, you want to make sure that it is as pure as possible. So I put a little bit of water in here and a little bit of, like a very, very little bit of Florida water to dilute it. A few drops in here, like I said, maybe like 10 drops, not a lot. You don't need that much. So the ratio 1 to 10, always 1 to 10, 1 to 20. If you're doing a spray, 1 to 20 is good, okay? 1 to 10 when you're creating an essential oil, and then shake it up, and then and there you are. You've cleared your energy and the energy of those around you.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.